Welcome back to some more gaming. You know, I can't get through these stairs again.
Oh dear.
Just guys, we got it through the first time. So guys, we're gonna go exploring. Even though if I'm crazy, okay. I'm going back in. I don't know anywhere.
Por estar en ese teléfono, ¿verdad? Te estoy hablando. Que no pusiste atención por estar en el teléfono.
¿Qué? ¿Ahorita?
Ahorita y todo el tiempo, mijo.
No, I heard that it was staying. I know.
Sí. Y dijo que hasta las 7, le dije hasta las 7 no, y lo dijo.
I forgot about
A
something.
las 6, le
I
dije,
can't make
sí, a las
videos
6,
longer
lo
than
dijo.
15 minutes.
Sí, sí.
So I have to deal with it, and yes, I do.
Para no sé qué cosa,
I can't get out of it, but I'll try to ignore it.
Oh, lucky.
But maybe I have to make lots of parts. It all depends. It all depends.
I got off before Fernando when he said 7.
So I don't know if I'm gonna be making that much videos. Then I'm almost storage on my camera's gonna go out.
No, I know. I got off
So it's gonna be doing lots
second,
of
but then I
stuff.
was already going.
And please ignore the things that are going on right now, all the sounds. There's an issue, really. Oh, watermelon grew.
Max, quit trying to commentate. You can't. You're trash.
Shut up, Ed.
Don't say. Quit saying my younger brother's name.
I don't know where I am. Hello, guys.
So,
I'm making a video. So where's my little hut?
papi dijo que ya no subieras, ¿eh?
So, oh, there it is. My little hut. I'm gonna go mining for a little bit. Oh yeah, forget about that place. down on the description. Subscribe also.
The answer to the whole kid squid debate actually has much less to do with the physical characteristics of inklings, their funny sneakers, or even their weird suction cup hair/ears. No, it actually goes all the way down to their genetics. You think about it, we're talking about one species evolving into a different one, either doing kids evolving to possess squid-like abilities, or squids evolving to live on land with kids. And when you look at the problem from this angle, this is the deciding factor. Like I mentioned earlier, evolution takes a really long time. It involves slow growing, selection, ultimately survival, thousands of generations. Listen, it doesn't, unless you happen to be one of the very few species that has the ability to indoor evolve together and evolve at your own pace. And as much as I wish as a kid I could have just decided to grow a third of a muscle, we humans have to give it up to our new eight-legged homologs on this one. It is squids have the power to change genetics. The way they do this has to do with genes, and not DNA, the molecule that we all associate with our genes, but instead RNA, ribonucleic acid, the lineage stem child of the nucleic acid family. While DNA is basically the blueprint to your body, RNA is what takes it from the blueprint to the real thing. Basically, what you need to know is that RNA takes little sections of your genes from the nucleus, where DNA lives all on its own because it's too popular cell molecules, and breaks it out to the rest of the cells so it can join the party and be translated into real things, like proteins that do everything for your body, from creating brain cells to healing your paper cuts. Without RNA, DNA is nothing. So kids have RNA, but squids also have RNA, so what's the big deal? Well, in humans, when our DNA gets copied, there's a lot of junk in it. A big section gets copied onto a strand of RNA, but there are these chunks in the middle that your body doesn't need. Before your body can make anything useful with the RNA, those chunks need to be cut out in what's called the spliceosome complex of the cell. Well, the biology of all this gets a lot more complex than I want to go into here. The thing to remember is that in humans, this RNA splicing system is one of the things that helps keep us stable. We have a lot of parts and a lot of systems that we have to keep running. So you want to make sure that when cells are making things, they're making the same things the same way every time. The splicing system is like a safety net to make sure that the RNA gets translated correctly every single replication. It's stable, which is awesome. But another word for something that's stable is something that doesn't evolve. Humans are humans, and we're stuck as humans. The chances of us having some bizarre new species-changing evolution are incredibly slim. But squids, on the other hand, are playing by a completely different set of genetic rules. Just this year, in fact, just a couple weeks ago, as we researched this episode, scientists discovered that cephalopods don't follow the normal patterns of protein building with RNA, at least not as strictly as we do. Instead of splicing their RNA, they do something called RNA editing, where instead of cutting out information with spliceosomes, they actually directly edit the information that the RNA carries. No need for a splicey middleman here. This may seem like a small difference, but it completely changes the way cephalopods live, breed, and most importantly, evolve. Most life on our planet hasn't done all that well with RNA editing because, guess what? It results in too much evolution, and it's actually been eliminated by most species through natural selection. But RNA editing has some amazing advantages for our squid friends. Cephalopods are able to quickly adapt to extreme changes in their environments, sometimes without having to go through natural selection at all. Their bodies just go, oh, we need to be able to live in the Arctic? Alright, just make these proteins instead of these other proteins and we are good to go. Normally, these kinds of changes would have to be slowly passed down through generation after generation, but RNA editing allows cephalopods like squids to completely skip all that noise. It also puts them as one of the only species to be able to make rapid enough adaptations that you would need to survive a post-apocalyptic world in just a few generations rather than millions of years. Sad as it is, humans are just not genetically equipped to do that. I mean, we complain when the air conditioning is 3 degrees too high. There is no way we'd be able to survive massive environmental disaster. But squids are actually a species that's in a perfect position to continue their rapid evolution and become the new rulers of the planet. And more importantly for us today in our Splatoon theory, they're in the single best possible position to make big biological moves, like jumping from the water to living on land way faster than any other species, all with a new respiratory system and making sure they keep pace with the latest in inkling sneaker trends. So the next time you order that basket of calamari, have a Respect for your appetizer. When the world ends, they're going to be around a lot longer than you or I will. And when you're playing Splatoon 2 in a couple months, know that the only answer to the ultimate question of are you a kid or are you a squid is that you will always and forever be 100% squid. But hey, that's just a theory. A game theory. Thanks for watching.
Huh?
The sun is so powerful.
¿Cuál sala?
The
sun.
Powerful? What is that?
The sun está bien fuerte.
You'd think in Fallout, if scientists could create house robots and power armor, they could have at least figured out color TV by now, right? I mean, really. Good job creating a fictional universe there, guys. Hello, Internet. Welcome to Game.
Bajen su ya, Edward.
Hey guys, I have like about 2 more minutes, I guess. No, 4 more minutes left for the show and series. So if you're liking this video, like that right now. And I'm going to like spike in 3, 2, 1. Like spike, hit that like button, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Well, I'm gonna continue.
Ya comer.
Guys, you have no idea what this place is. It's not what you think. Get out. One place I usually get confused. I think it's this way. No, that's the way that I came from. This is the way that I have to go to. Here's my little hunt. But put some of my cobblestone inside. Look what else we're gonna be. I'm gonna see this. Not what I need. Gold, I guess. Yeah, I need gold ingots for that. Guess I can do make that. Okay, guys, it's about almost time. So I'm gonna end this video right now. It's already 15. Sorry guys, you're not gonna be hearing this.